This will be the first project in Khopoli that is 12 floors high, right in the center of the city. A project that will have 11 magnificent towers beautified by the best amenities. The project has over 120 meters of frontage facing the main road. Compared to other projects that are located far away, the location of Orchid Woods is right in the center of the city and at a short walking distance from the bus depot and the train station. Other important establishments like schools, colleges, hospitals, and shopping areas are in a very close radius. Other tourist attractions are also a short drive away. Apart from its beauty, the buildings are built to last for generations. They are earthquake resistant, and right from the lobby to the elevation, the features of construction match the best standards. Orchid Woods will have a heavenly theme-based landscape garden. The other amenities planned in this project will elevate the lifestyle of families to a higher standard. Elders and children alike will find this gated community the perfect place for fun and relaxation. The project consists of well laid out 1.5 and 2 BHK apartments. Inside the flats, you will get a well-finished layout with a long list of amenities. The project has ample parking space allocation. Residents of Orchid Woods will never have parking issues. Lakhani builders are known to build the best landmarks. Their projects are reputed for quality and value for money. Own homes that will tower above the rest. This is the right time to invest in the security of your family. In the coming years, this decision will probably give you the highest returns